título del mural es Diversidad y Comunidad.
Started coming up with ideas, but since the pandemic hit us, we couldn't even come see the wall or think about what can we do here. So we did Zoom meetings, talked to each other, and a bunch of the kids actually came up with the idea.
Uno de los temas más importantes, uno de los tópicos que siempre sobresalen es el problema de la migración o el problema de las comunidades que están aquí. La pregunta para ellos, para empezar estas discusiones, era ¿cómo podemos representar estos temas con imágenes que sean a la vez bellas, pero que esas imágenes nos descifren una verdad respecto a nuestras propias comunidades?
After some time, he's like, we should just do birds. It'd be really cool. And then interviewed kind of everybody saying, what's your culture? What's the national bird? And that's how it developed. So after the pandemic hit, probably for a good couple months, we didn't come into contact. Then we met together, and then we just started painting.
So one of the most important things that I think is the reason why this mural is so important to Santa Ana is because it has a lot of diversity when it comes to Latin America. There isn't just people from Mexico, there's people from El Salvador, from Paraguay, from Guatemala, and even someone from Cuba. It's also very important for people to actually point and look up and say, oh, I know what that bird is from. I know what that bird is called.
I added the Cuban bird to represent Cuba and my heritage there. And also I feel honored to add that bird because it's a little piece of me and my parents. I'm their Cuban immigrants. So I feel really proud to be part of this mural.
Well, my identity, my parents are Mexicans and they're immigrants, so it means a lot seeing like their heritage being represented by a mural like that I designed and stuff. It means a lot.
One of the things that I really like about having the Quetzal on the mural and something that it means to me is that I've had people walk by and tell me how much they liked it, and there's actually this one time that I'll never forget, and it was this man that walked by and he saw us painting it and he told us like, oh, it's the Quetzal, and I'm like, yeah, it is. And he's like, oh, I'm Guatemalan. And then I walked up to him and I'm like, I'm also Guatemalan. So we had a little conversation about it. And he was really happy to see the Quetzal.
Well, it's something I want the community to take away from it is like when they walk by, I want them to see a bird that represents their nationality or like background. And I want them to feel included into the mural too.
Que la gente que venga a mirar el mural tenga un recuerdo de los murales, cuando vienen con sus niños por aquí, que se tomen una foto y que se la lleven y que lo guarden como un recuerdo, aparte de que estos murales tienen un significado.
So now when I see these murals, it's like a symbol of our power, or like the power of the people, where they can take ownership and they can put their name on something. Even though they're just putting paint on the wall, they're also adding like part of their spirit or part of their persona. That this mural isn't for us, but it's for everyone. And it feels good to help inspire the next generation of people.
It's not just that it's a mural, but it's a hopeful mural. It's a mural that people can be proud of, that students can be proud of. I love that this is about diversity, and I love it's about the different birds and the cultures. But really, I hope that it inspires hope.